everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about Google Compute Engine GCE. So guys, let's start. Google Compute Engine deliver virtual Google Compute deliver virtual machine running in Google innovative data centers and although it fiber network compute engine tooling and workflow support enable scaling from single instance to global load balanced cloud computing. Compute engine VMS would quickly comes with present disk storage and deliver consistent performance. Our virtual server are available in many configurations including prefinite size or the option to create a custom machine type optimized for a specific needs. So guys, that's it. Hope you all understand this topic. Thank you everyone and please subscribe my YouTube channel.